In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and add a hard drive or a 2.5-inch SSD to a Dell Optiplex 7010 MT computer, which is right here. So let's just open the cover first. Just pull on this lever, like this, just pull it out. The storage devices on, you could put it in either one of these two caddies. You could put two hard drives in this, or two 2.5-inch SSDs. I put an SSD in here, a 2.5-inch. So first let's pull it out. So pull on the SATA data cable, which is this. Pull out the SATA power cable, which is here. And then remove the storage device by pinching this, pulling up. Just come right out like this. To remove it, the hard drive is on here. Just pry this forward like this. It's flexible, and then you could just pull it out like this. Let's say I want to put a hard drive in here. It would be exactly the same way. Let me see how this goes in. It goes in like that, in that orientation. Okay, so I think the hard drive should be going like this. As you can see, there's a little thing here, tabs, so you just align it with the hard drive mounts here. So this one and this one in this orientation. So I got one side in, the next side I have to kind of like flex this up so I could get the other part in like this. So now the hard drive is in, and I just push it into that rail. Just let it snap into place, and just connect the SATA cables. This is SATA data. It goes just one way. And the SATA power cable is here. If you want to put two hard drives, you should put it into this orientation like this. Goes in, snaps in just like that. As you can see, now the hard drive is in there. So I could use this hard drive if I want. The question is, what if you want to put in a 2.5-inch? So to pull this out, there's a little thing here. You just press this and pull up. That's what's keeping it in place. So I'm going to pull this out. Talk about the 2.5-inch SSD. And to pull out the hard drive, just unplug it like I did, and just do this. Just check it like this. Pull one side up. That would release it. You got to release one side first. And then pull down to release it, and it just comes right off. As for the 2.5-inch hard drive, you'll need to get a mounting bracket like this. Basically a mounting bracket just like this, and you got to screw it on like this. As you can see, it's screwed on here and here with a small Phillips screw. and the SSD is right here. And the way you just mount it onto this bracket, then you mount it on the hard drive caddy. See how this goes in. Okay, that's how it goes in. So I think that's the right orientation, is this way, I think. Yeah, so we got to get the mounting things here. As you can see, there's one here, there's one there. We got to align it. As you can see, that part is in. I think it goes in this way. Got one side in, the other side when you get in. Okay, the other side is in. It's mounted. Now I can get it in. Not quite. It's got to be. Okay, now it's in. As you can see, it's flush in there. So I'm going to get it in like that. This orientation. Get the cable in. SATA power. SATA data. Now it's in. So that's the SATA 2.5 inch. We need a mounting bracket if you want to put it in, but for the hard drive you don't need anything. You just put the hard drive in, the caddy in, that's it. Now the hard drive's in. If you don't have a SATA cable, you could put a SATA cable in one of these SATA ports right there. There's 4 of them. If you want to add additional SSDs, you may need to get a SATA 3 data cable. There's one that's available right there. You can put it in here. That's pretty good for that. So I'm going to close it. Put this in like this from the bottom. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.